Hey people, well here's another fan I recently acquired. I believe this is another must-have item for an authentic fan collector. This is one of those General Electric or GE 20-inch box fans with the 5-wing plastic blade, or as GE called it, the 5-element plastic blade. There are quite a number of these on YouTube and amongst fan collectors. Pretty much, especially my friend Caleb Pogel, I think is how you pronounce his name. Well, he's the one who's knowledgeable on these particular fans. And I have him to turn to for any questions about this fan. And I hear they're pretty powerful for a plastic blade fan. Especially if you look at the blades, they have kind of a helix plane to them. Especially powerful if they have a Venturi. Well, I knew that if I were to get at least one of these, I'd get one of the earliest ones. There's the badge up there. This is a model W22, or catalog number F11 W22. This is the first generation of this model from circa 1966. First of these I've seen in my life was one that belonged to some friends of ours that we knew from church when I was a kid. They had one of these in their garage. And I always liked the look of that blade hub. I don't know if I have overall look at this. We'll fire it up. There's the one side. It's got a bit of light rust here and there, but not that big of a deal to me. And there's the other side. And this is where the speed, this is the side. And this is where the speed dial is. Yeah, they have it right on the side of the cabinet. And as you can see, it goes to low first, then goes up to high. And it's only on the earliest of these they have this little silver dot. It indicates what speed it's on. And it has the cord coming out right here. Now, go around to the back. And there's the motor. This is that famous unibearing motor that these box fans have. That is, they only have one bearing. Unfortunately, at this moment, the screws are kind of stubborn. I can't get them to budge, no matter what screwdriver I use. Probably might need to use like a ratcheting type of screwdriver to get those loose, so I can effectively, so I can properly oil the motor to this fan. But it seems to have plenty of oil as of now. Turn back around. There's the top. As you can see, it's really got some of that light rust and other items on there, especially this spot. And I think it's the only bit of heavy rust on there, but it's not that bad. And as you can see, as Esky-Wolf would say, it no handle. But I hope to find a good handle to use on there. May grab the plastic handle from one of those boxes of cat litter, something like that. Anyway, oh, I'll show you the cage. As you can see, it's the cage on this particular model. It's held on by these rubber grommets. You can open only one side. I think I need both hands for this. Yeah, goes out like this. And you can just open it like a door, just to, yeah, like that, just to access the inside of the cabinet. The second generation of this model, which came out the next year in '67, had this badge in the center, covering up the middle of the hub, as did the successor to this model, which is a W22, which has a slightly smaller cabinet, and instead of the grills being held by these grommets, they would attach to the little holes in the cabinet, I think via springs or something like that, like the back grill of my Ward Signature boxer. Anyway, here it is running. Start off with low. Yeah, that's how it runs when it starts off on low. When it gets good and warmed up, it kind of runs like a medium low or something like that. And here's medium. Whether it's warmed up on or not, both medium and high really grip. Cage's already starting to rattle there. And finally, here's high. On high, this thing absolutely roars. It really throws out the breeze. Yeah, this is one of those plastic bladed box fans that puts out more air than most typical metal bladed box fans, like say basic peach one sitting up there. However, I think my Ward Signature has the same heat as that one has 7 points. That thing puts out a hurricane. And finally, as always, OWF spells off. And it has decent coast down time. I'll give you a close-up of the motor. It sounds like starting up on high. A friend of mine says the bushings may be going out or something. Oh, is that a crack in the blade? Looks like it. And there you have it. It's my 1966 General Electric, or GE model W22 box fan. Thank you for watching.